Come on in, come on in, come on in. Happy Saturday, happy Saturday. Got the shrimps here. For the ones who don't know, just because the shrimp says peel and devein, you still gotta devein it. Still gotta devein it. I'm gonna let these sit for a minute. There's water. How everybody doing today on this beautiful, blessed Saturday? Y'all, the weekend has gotten here so quick. You look up and boom, here you go. Here you go. So on this side, that's what they mean, devein. But you gotta go inside, right in here. Still gotta devein the shrimp. So don't think, just because it say devein, they gotta get them bad boys. They gotta get them. I know I do. Right? I went out today, got me a little exercise. You know when you go in the stores, you're going to get some exercise. You're going to walk. You're going to get some walking. Get some walking in. Which is good. Good exercise. And two, you need some fresh air. Get some good old fresh air too. And nothing like some good fresh air. It's still winter time, so you still got to dress for the winter. Honey, I seen a girl in the store. Honey, I guess she thought because it had worn up just a tad bit, not a lot, just a tad bit, honey. She was showing everything. Not just legs. I was like, ooh. The old folks say, close the front door and the back door. She was showing everything. I'm like, everything. So, all right now. Showing all her business. She ain't leave nothing to the imagination. Each his own. Okay. See some on the back too. So the shrimps, not the vein. Just gonna take a little time here. And I'm doing a pasta dish, so I'm taking the tails off. That's what I'm doing here. I'm like, you know, sometimes you be trying to figure out like what you want. I keep seeing everybody posting stuff on the book. I'm like, that look good. That look good. I'm like, So you see stuff on TV. My favorite restaurant is Red Lobster, y'all. I love Red Lobster. I haven't been in a while. I am definitely due now. I'm due for the Red Lobster. But you know what? I'm going to do my own today. I'm doing my own pasta dish today. Yes, sir. And I love those biscuits. You can either make them. They do sell them. You can make your own. Walmart got them. Make them come in a box. Come already made. Just throw them in the oven. But it's just something about getting them at Red Lobster. You know what I'm saying? Just, is it just a name? It's just something about going there and just getting them. I remember there was a time I would just go to Red Lobster and get them biscuits. I know I ain't the only one. There was a time, yeah, I would just go there just for the biscuits. Yes. So what I'm doing, I'm deveining them. Even though they said they was already deveined, that's what I'm doing. I gotta pay attention because I got this knife. I ain't trying to cut myself. They're pretty good size, say jumbo. That's what I'm doing here. Hope everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful Saturday. They do pretty good on them though. They're not bad. Me personally, I just like chicken. I'm real picky, y'all. When it comes to my food, I'm picky. I'm picky anyway. Ain't nothing wrong with being picky. Ain't nothing wrong with that. So ladies, for the guys you seeing, oh, she's picky. They picky too. Ain't no wrong with being picky. Everybody know what they like. Everybody know what they want. So ain't no wrong with being picky. It's your right. It is your right. Okay. Nice little size here. And I also got, so what I'm doing a pasta dish. Doing a chicken Alfredo pasta dish. Now I got the Alfredo sauce. I don't too much care for the sauce. My hubby loves it. And I do it with the chicken and the shrimp. But I'm going to do mine different. Without the Alfredo, I'm going to add a different kind of sauce. More as like a dressing for me. Now I've had the Alfredo sauce. As I said earlier, I'm picky. I just don't like the white sauce. It don't taste bad. I just don't like it. I'm almost done. I got a few more in here. Check. On most of them, they did okay. I think it could have did better than that, but now some of them you don't have a whole lot to do. So what they do, they only do the outside. They don't do the inside. So when they say devein, they're not devein. They just do the outside. I don't know why they don't do the inside too. I guess they figure for the ones that like them fried. I like mine fried too. But I still devein the inside. I'm going to show you. You can see that? See? It's on the inside. So if you don't know, now you know. Trust me, a lot of people didn't know, don't know. Never too old to learn something new. They all over there. Look at that. Got maybe 3 more after this one. Then I'm going to saute these. already got my water on for my noodles. They won't take long. I'm not making the homemade pasta sauce. I can, but I'm not going to do that today. Some of y'all probably saying I should have had this done before time. I like doing it the way I'm doing it. I like doing it this way. But a lot of people thinking, okay, I got this bag and it says raw shrimp, peel, the vein, tail on. They'll be okay, I don't have to vein it. Yes, you do. If you might be wondering why I'm repeating myself, a lot of people is coming in, didn't hear me the first time. That's why I'm repeating myself. Okay. You know how too, when we were kids, and our parents had to keep telling us something over and 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 over again? Mm-hmm. Even as adults. Your husband or your wife, even your parents had to keep telling you something over and over again. You're never too old to learn something new. And I don't care how old you get, your parents still learn. They're still your parents. They still can tell you something whether you listen or not. And then something happens you can't say. They didn't tell you. But you're going to always have somebody be like, I told you. We get mad when those people don't. Well, I told you. You wasn't listening. And guess what's so funny? We've all said that. We've all said, well, I told you. You wasn't listening. A lot of times we don't be listening because you telling us that we too busy either not paying attention or we talking while they talking. Mm-hmm. We all done that too. Okay, they're all done. I just like to rinse them off. I rinse them off before I devein them. I'm rinsing them off again after. Everybody do things differently. This is just the way I do mine. Okay. Now put all the junk in this bag here. Like that. Set that over there. Clean my little area off over here. I'm not going to season them until I get them in the pan. Okay. Got my little bag here. Keep my little shopping bag. I can put stuff like this in it. Trash. I put it in another bag because I know I'm gonna have more trash sit right there. Here. Okay. I'm wondering, should I season it before or after? Okay. I'll show you the chicken before I do. Now this is the chicken that I'm gonna use. Got it from Walmart. John Soul's Food. It's fully cooked, seasoned rotisserie. Okay, juicy chicken breast strips for a classy and delicious flavor. It says 100% all natural chicken raised with no added hormones or steroids. Thick, juicy breast strips. And you know, this was like $3 something, but look, this is what you get right here. This is how much you're getting right here. So you already know things went up, but you're getting less. Okay. What I want to do is this is the sauce that I got. It's kind of hubby likes. Mine is going to be, I'm just going to add 2 different kinds of dressing for mine. Okay. I'm going to bring y'all over here. I'll bring y'all closer to where I'm at. The closer I get to you. All right. Now y'all a little closer. I'm not gonna put my noodles in yet. Okay. Got more seasons I want to get. Okay. Might be okay. Got my skillet on. Gonna saute chicken in the shrimp. Ooh, excuse me. And water. Maybe I will. Gotta do that first. Go ahead and put my noodles. So I only cook for 2, so I already got my oil in here. Need more. Yep. Out of here. Let me turn it down. Ooh, turn it down. Put my shrimps in. Let you guys see after I season it. Just to know what I'm doing. Might be turning back up to medium. Cover it up. Here, use. Alright, I hear you, I hear you. Chicken is talking now. Okay. Garlic. I like a lot of garlic. Onion powder. Black pepper. Just a sprinkle of parsley. Little taste, see, not a lot, just a little. Put just a little chili powder, just a little. Right. And that's the shrimps. I'm going to wash my hands, I'm going to put the chicken in. Got a separate pan for the chicken. Chicken is right here. So I use the whole bag of the shrimp. I'm going to use the whole bag of the chicken. This chicken here has, look like it has seasoned already. So I'm going to add just a little of my own seasoning. Not a lot, just a little. Just remember, it's rotisserie. I'm just going to do garlic. Black pepper. Really, all you're doing is browning it like, excuse me. Ooh. Just a little chili powder on it. No salt, onion powder. That's it. Saute it in olive oil. on medium. Because remember, it's fully cooked. You just getting a little brown. That's all you're doing. I'm going to check on my shrimps. But you know, it don't take long for shrimp. Noodles here. Stir them up. Turn it down a little bit. Just stirring the noodles. Okay. Here's the chicken. I don't know if you can see the shrimp. So I'm going to flip it. But I really don't need to season the other side. There's enough season. Maybe put a little. Maybe put a little more. I don't want to over season them. Okay. Keep an eye on my noodles. Mix the chicken up. Coming together, y'all. It's coming together. What I always do, I always clean my seasonings off before I put them back up. Set them over here, let them dry, and I'll put them back up. Go. Right. Gotta turn the shrimps off. Off. Noodles off. Now I'm going to strain my noodles. Welcome in everybody. Now, I'm strain my noodles. When everything hot, turn this off. Alright, chicken is good and done. I'm gonna put the shrimp right here in the chicken. Everything's gonna be all mixed in. Anyway, I'm doing chicken and shrimp Alfredo. Do some pasta in one pan. Pasta. Because I don't like the Alfredo sauce. This is the chicken and the shrimp. here. Alfredo sauce in this pot. Show you guys around, see what I'm doing. Mixing it all in. I'll turn it on low. Even though the chicken and the noodles and the shrimp is hot, turn it on low. Easy, quick meal. One more thing I like adding with it. Here. Add it both. You can add it in it. And you can add it after. Before and after. He likes it before and after. So it's in there. He likes to sprinkle it on top. Just like that. Chicken and shrimp Alfredo. Okay, number to mine. Turn it on low. This here. We usually have like Texas toast or something like that. Salad. With no toast. I probably do like a cucumber salad. That's it. Okay, mine is just plain. No Alfredo sauce. But I am gonna add the zesty Italian sauce. If I can get it open. What? Ooh. They really don't want you to open it. That's a good thing. You know it's safe. It hasn't been opened. The seal is on it. You ever get like medication and it said child proof? It ain't just child proof, it's adult proof too, because you can't even open it. You can't even open it. It's like, whoa. Now I'm gonna add the zesty Italian in mine. Sprinkle a little bit on there like that. I got it on low. I'm gonna sprinkle this on mine. Put that right there on top of it. Mine look like his, it's just no sauce, just plain. I don't want to waste it. You can see. Got the chicken. The chicken, the shrimp, and all that good stuff. Good old seasonings. I want to thank everybody for watching. I truly appreciate it. Thank you for the love, y'all. Thank you so much for the love. Okay, let me go up. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in, Gary, Kevin, Mimi, Queen, Tony, Christine, Vaughn. Familia? Did I say that right? Gonzalez. I'm not saying it right. I'm sorry. I'm going to say Gonzalo, Marty, Juanita. Let me bring this up where I can see. Okay. Juanita, Numbers, Wendy. Let's see. Fern. Simone, Cece, Jeanette, Barbara, Healthy, okay, Healthy Masters, Christy, Mary J. Bell, Evelyn, Iris, see, Julie, Eddie, is that, I'm going to say Ann, Sint, Vicky, Carson, Mel, Young, Numbers, Joe, Hobbs, Tina, Pretty Girl, Tina, Barbara, Tess, Doris, Shay, Rachel, Angel, Ann. Is that Ruth, Noah, Erlene, Belle, welcome in, Empress, welcome in, Numbers, Gwen, Shelley, Annie, Cunning, welcome in, Yaya, Winnie, Herman. Is it Style, welcome in, Sadie, Newware, D's Creation, welcome in, everybody, Cynthia, is that Deborah, Sheila, Mary, Patricia, Bush, let's see here, is that Levy? Welcome in, everybody. Thank you all. I truly appreciate you guys. Love you. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Happy Saturday. God bless you all. San, Juanita, Marty. Welcome in, everybody. Thank you so much for the love. I truly appreciate you guys. It's time for, hubby said he ready to eat, and so am I. I had nothing today but a banana, y'all. I'm on a weight loss journey. I eat one meal a day. I'm ready to eat. You hear me? I'm not ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. Good night. Love you guys. Bye.